Cryptocurrency remains a rapidly evolving space, and while some of the methods of earning money are still rooted in traditional practices, there are many opportunities unique to the digital and decentralized nature of crypto. As we approach 2025, some existing methods continue to flourish while others evolve, leveraging new blockchain technologies and financial systems. Below is a comprehensive guide to earning money through cryptocurrency. 1. Buying and holding, hodling, cryptocurrencies. One of the most common ways to make money with cryptocurrency is by purchasing coins or tokens and holding them for an extended period. This strategy is often referred to as hodling, a term derived from a misspelled version of hold, and it involves waiting for the price of a particular cryptocurrency to appreciate over time. Key steps: choosing the right cryptocurrencies. Many people choose to hold well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH, as these have a track record of stability and growth. However, with the explosion of decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and Layer 2 solutions, there are many new tokens and projects to explore. Researching the long-term prospects of smaller or emerging cryptocurrencies such as Solana, SOL, Polkadot, DOT, and others may offer higher rewards, albeit with higher risk. Secure storage. Storing cryptocurrencies securely is crucial. Using hardware wallets like Trezor or Ledger ensures that your assets are protected from hacking. Timing. Understanding market trends and macroeconomic factors can help with deciding when to enter or exit the market. Second, staking and yield farming. Staking involves locking up cryptocurrency in a wallet or smart contract to support the security and operations of a blockchain network. In return for staking your crypto, you receive rewards, typically in the form of additional tokens. Proof of stake, POS. Staking works particularly well in POS networks like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, ADA, and Polkadot. When you stake your crypto, you contribute to network security by validating transactions, and for doing so, you earn rewards. Yield farming. This is the process of providing liquidity to DeFi protocols in exchange for rewards, typically in the form of interest or governance tokens. Yield farming can offer high returns, but comes with significant risks such as impermanent loss, smart contract vulnerabilities, and the volatility of the underlying assets. Research different platforms offering staking rewards. Platforms like Kraken, Binance, and decentralized exchanges like Aave or Compound provide staking options with varying interest rates. Yield farming often involves using decentralized exchanges, DEXs, such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or SushiSwap. 3. Cryptocurrency mining. Mining has been a primary way of earning cryptocurrency since the inception of Bitcoin. While the rewards for mining Bitcoin directly are reduced over time due to the halving mechanism, which cuts the reward for mining new blocks in half approximately every 4 years, there are still many ways to earn money through mining in 2025. Mining on networks that still use POW requires specialized hardware known as ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, or high-performance GPUs, graphics processing units. Bitcoin and Ethereum, before its transition to proof of stake, are examples of proof-of-work systems. For individuals who don't have access to the physical hardware necessary to mine, cloud mining offers a solution. Companies allow you to rent mining power online in exchange for a percentage of the profits. While Bitcoin's mining difficulty is extremely high, altcoins like Ravencoin, RVN, Litecoin, LTC, and others can still be mined using GPUs or more affordable mining equipment. Fourth, trading cryptocurrencies. Trading cryptocurrency involves buying and selling coins on exchanges in an attempt to profit from short-term price movements. This can be done manually or through automated bots that make trades based on preset strategies. Spot trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at current market prices. You make money when the price increases after you buy or when it decreases after you sell short. Trading cryptocurrency futures allows you to speculate on the price of crypto without owning the underlying asset. Futures contracts can be used to leverage your position, which means you can make larger gains, but also suffer larger losses. This kind of trading is riskier, and it requires a good understanding of technical analysis and market behavior. Swing and day trading. Swing trading involves holding positions for several days or weeks, while day trading involves making multiple trades within a single day. Both methods require technical analysis skills, the ability to read charts, and an understanding of market sentiment. 5. Earn cryptocurrency through faucets. Cryptocurrency faucets are websites that give away small amounts of cryptocurrency for free in exchange for completing simple tasks, such as watching ads, completing surveys, or solving CAPTCHAs. While the rewards from these faucets are usually small, they provide an opportunity for beginners to learn about cryptocurrency and earn small amounts of crypto over time. 6. Affiliate programs in crypto. Many cryptocurrency exchanges, wallets, and platforms offer affiliate programs which allow you to earn commissions by referring new users. These programs typically provide a percentage of the trading fees generated by the referred user. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken have robust affiliate programs that pay you a portion of the trading fees paid by users you refer. 7. Developing and launching your own cryptocurrency or NFT. If you have a technical background, creating and launching your own cryptocurrency or non-fungible token, NFT, can be an excellent way to make money. This requires a deep understanding of blockchain technology, smart contracts, and tokenomics. NFTs exploded in popularity in recent years, with artists, musicians, and brands creating exclusive digital assets that are bought and sold. Many crypto projects involve the creation of new tokens. By developing your own cryptocurrency or token and integrating it into decentralized applications, dApps, you can create a new economy or ecosystem around your token. 8. Earning cryptocurrency as payment. One of the easiest ways to earn cryptocurrency is by simply offering products or services and accepting payment in crypto. Several companies and individuals are already paying employees or contractors in cryptocurrency. Websites like Bitwage allow workers to receive their salaries in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. If you have expertise in writing, web development, graphic design, or any other freelance skill, you can offer your services on platforms like CryptoJobs, or you can directly negotiate with clients to receive payments in crypto. 9. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, and initial DEX offerings, IDOs. ICOs, initial coin offerings, and IDOs, initial DEX offerings, provide a way for investors to buy new tokens early in their life cycle. These offerings often provide access to tokens at a discounted rate before they are listed on exchanges, with the potential for substantial profits if the project succeeds. 10. Creating a crypto-related blog or YouTube channel. Content creation around cryptocurrency is another lucrative avenue. Many individuals and businesses earn substantial income by producing content that educates people about cryptocurrency, market trends, or blockchain technology. Content creators can earn revenue through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and promoting crypto-related products or services. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Medium offer different monetization options,